Hey guys, so finally I'm back. Uh, I had a really long travel, Bangalore to Ahmedabad, Ahmedabad to Bhuj, Bhuj to Mandvi, and now I'm in a hostel in Mandvi. It's called as Lakshmi Guest House. You can see it's really pretty. Well, pretty. Um, I have no plans. I don't know what's there in Mandvi to see, but I'm sure there's a beach and there's a lighthouse. I'm not sure if I can go up the lighthouse, but let's see. Bye bye. There's two things to see majorly here. One is Vijay Villa Palace. It's I think about centuries old palace, and another is beach. There's a lighthouse, and we'll see. If you're really into historic places or something, maybe it's worth it, but well, for me, nah. So well, but still it's maintained really well. I like the place, how they maintained it, and okay, let's go to beach. Good morning from Mandvi. Well, I have a small story to tell first before I tell you what I'm going to do next. I just took a bus from Bangalore to Udaipur, but then I changed my mind. I got down in Ahmedabad, and from Ahmedabad I went to Bhuj to Mandvi. Well, the travel was pretty hectic. It was like 40 hours travel, I guess. Ooh. Okay, so and next, one funny thing, if you know the song Gaadi Wala Ya Kachra Nikal, they're playing this song all around the town. Like I heard that in like 3 places. Like I just went for a walk and I heard that, and people are giving their kachras everywhere. It's really funny to look at that. And next, what I'll be doing is I'll be going to run off Kutch, because Kutch nahi dekha to kuch nahi dekha. So